To get the board moving, reach out and place the blade in the water next to the rail of the board. Then draw the blade through the water, bring it out at your feet. Again, as with on your knees, after a few strokes on one side, swap the bottom hand over and take a few strokes on the other side. The key elements of the basic paddle stroke are the same as on the knees. Try and keep the paddle vertical by bringing your top hand across and keeping the blade close to the rail of the board. Make sure wherever you reach to, that's where you place the blade in the water, and also look to bring it out at your feet. To turn round, again we can push water towards the nose on one side and towards the tail on the other side. The wider the blade is from the side of the board, the better the turn will be.